Hey, this will be a video chart on ZVTK, ZVTK Incorporated. Did this one a couple weeks ago, I think, when the chart looked something like this or this, something like that. But today, just a huge move, all sorts of bullish things going on, so that's what I'm going to get updated. But congratulations, you look down here and see the volume bar, absolutely gigantic, and then you see the price reaction, which is great. So this chart was firing on all cylinders. Just a beautiful day, and once again, congratulations to everybody. I've had people whispering and chirping in my ear about this one from down here. In fact, the Bull Warrior Stocks Facebook fan page group. This is where they really started to talk about it, and people are starting to buy in, and that's where it really became popular, at least on the Facebook community page. And you can see from everybody that had acted when people started to really talk about it. There some people are up over 100% now, so it's a great day, awesome liquidity. So like I said, really firing on all cylinders. Kind of hard to find anything to complain about. So let's just dig in, and what I'm going to do is just outline the resistances, supports, and kind of go from there. First, let's just start off with support levels. Supports today were basically formed by just busting through a bunch of different resistance levels. The first key resistance that was broken today was this 0.033 level, and this was a key resistance, but since it's been broken, it's now become a key support level. So that's going to be one of our support levels. The next one is going to be up here. We had this high from back here in October, and this value was at 0.0038. So this is our next support level that we would ideally like to see hold, or if you're a buy on weakness player, potential entry spot there. The other one that I'm not going to mark out just because this one's pretty much in the same area, but this was a very, very big thing for the chart, was this orange line here, which is the 200-day simple moving average. You can see that this one is always on any chart a key resistance if it's above the price, or a key support if it's below. Going into today, it was one of those key resistance areas, and it just got demolished also. So now this becomes a support, but at the same time, if the price does fall below it, no need to panic, because we still do have two very nice support levels beneath it. So if the 200 does fall, and the price goes below it, don't freak out, don't panic, because like I said, you still do have other support levels to help support the price. Now, the fun stuff, where are the resistance levels at? Well, the first one, and I think I'll go out two, but the first one that we have lying ahead now is just simply the high of this candle here, which was put in back on October 12th. This high is at 0.0049, so this is the next key battleground that the bulls will need to hopefully push through. If the bulls can push through 0049, let's see here, I'm gonna have to, there it is. This looks like a level right here. I'll have to adjust that, but this level right around here, which is at let's see, 0.0055, that'll be the next resistance level after 0.0049. I'm not going to go any further than that, just because, as I always say, one step at a time. Let's not get too far ahead of ourselves. But those are going to be the next two resistance levels, 0.0049 in the short term, and then the next one's going to be up here at 0.0055. And if you can get above these two, then I'm sure I'll be back with another video chart update. And also, just looking from a trend line point of view, you can see that this chart has just got a beautiful looking uptrend to it now, since it bottomed out back here at the end of September. So this is worth pointing out too, as a nice looking uptrend line that the chart's got. So once again, really looking good, making good progress over here over the past 2.5 months. So now it's just a matter of will it be able to break through these resistances. But I think more important right now is how will it react in any sort of pullback? Is it just going to pull back and fall all the way down here, or are we going to get a nice strong consolidation where maybe it goes down here, goes sideways before going up, Or, one that wouldn't be bad either is if it fell down around here, hovered around before heading back up. Both of those would be very nice consolidations, and would bode well for the overall health of the chart and show that there is quite a bit of strength behind it. Overall, though, chart's looking really good, and I know I've said it a bunch of times already, but truly firing on all cylinders right now. So it's just a matter of making sure that it continues to get good, healthy pullbacks and consolidation before making upwards moves. If there are any other questions on the chart, please shoot me a message and I'll do my best to help you out. I'd also encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you will be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from penny stocks up to big boards. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. And best part is it's all free. We were making some good money together, so it's worth at least signing up for and checking out. One more time, this was ZVTK. Thanks for listening.